Okay, another critical step in self-implementation is setting up what we call Docubox or your electronic filing cabinet. Okay, because this is imperative if you want to push documentation out through onboarding or outside of onboarding. Okay, so before you onboard an employee, if you want to push any contracts, HR policies, health and safety policies, or whatnot, you actually have to set this up first. So the way that you do that is you go to your sub menu and you click on Docubox. Now you'll see here we've got our own policies, procedures. You just scroll through page to page. And they're all in subfolders. Okay, contracts, HR policies, which you can customize. Now, there's some critical information on this page once you've set something up. Remember, your data will be blank, where you've got the show in onboarding, signature required. These buttons don't slide on this page. You actually have to go into an edit function to change that. But the actions bar is what drives everything within here. Okay, copying a document, deleting a document, viewing signatures to see who has signed, viewing people who haven't signed a document, signature needed. This is where you would view that. Okay, so to set this up, you go to new document and you pop in a document number, document type. These are all your subfolders, so you can keep them in whatever folder system you like. You give it a name, you give it a description. Now I've got the buttons slid here. This is where you would do it. Showing onboarding. Do I require a signature from people every time this particular document goes out? Do I want to have it signed? Okay, so you can turn that off if you wish. Now, if you're using our template, you can copy and paste from Word into it. We have some very cool functions. One is a merge field function, which is basically it will auto-populate the information within the template. So, for example, if you're pushing this particular document out to 20 people, it will auto-populate their individual names by using the merge fields, rather than you having to have 20 different documents with everyone's name in here. So, for example, I've got company name here. So I've just gone here and I've put down a company name, company full address, company date, and so on. Okay, it's always a good idea to have a merge field with the employee's signature. That way, if you're using our template, it will embed their signature within the actual document. Now, the other thing that you can do is if you're not using the template, you can upload a PDF, okay, just by pressing the upload function right here. But it is important to remember that a signature can't be embedded within an uploaded document. It will sit outside it. You still can request a signature and it will sit outside of it, but you're going to hold that document and you'll hold the signature outside. So it's really important to set the Docubox up before you start pushing anything out. Otherwise, there won't be anything to push out.